This week, a 34-year-old South St. Paul woman was scheduled to stand trial for murder. Monica Gold was accused of providing the drugs that killed a 23-year-old woman in Eden Prairie 2 years ago. But the Hennepin County Attorney's Office had to drop charges because the case's key witness died from a drug overdose. Lou Regoose has the story.
It was a tragic fate that Amy Portillo's family knew the 23-year-old could one day meet.
Amy was just a beautiful person, but she was self-destructive at times.
In August 2021, Amy was found in this Eden Prairie house dead from an overdose, drug paraphernalia all over.
Everything else changes.
Amy's mom, Carolyn Joyce, was angered to learn the woman who gave Amy the drugs, Monica Gold, gave her fentanyl-laced heroin.
And then allowed her to die on the floor. And Amy had Narcan. That was how exact Amy was about, things like that.
Prosecutors charged Gold with third-degree murder, a charge that can be used against drug dealers. County attorneys across the state have ramped up these types of prosecutions over the last 5 years. In 2018, 25 suspected drug dealers were charged with third-degree murder. And last year, that number jumped to 62. The prosecution's case rested on the testimony of Gold's friend, Natalie Hirsch. The criminal complaint says Hirsch drove Gold to the Eden Prairie house, noted the heroin seemed stronger than other heroin, warned Gold, and then after learning Amy died, heard Gold express guilt and say it was her fault. Then last month, with Gold's trial approaching, Natalie was found dead in a St. Louis Park apartment from a drug overdose. Also fentanyl. So prosecutors this week dropped the murder charge against Gold, writing there's insufficient evidence given the death of an essential witness.
And my thought was, isn't that convenient?
Carolyn never wanted Gold locked up forever.
I just wanted some accountability.
Now Natalie's death is under investigation, and a search warrant reveals police are checking whether she had recent contact with Gold. Meantime, in order to cope with Amy's death, her mom can no longer let herself worry about the courts.
I had to let that go.
Since the death of Natalie Hirsch is an open investigation, St. Louis Park Police are not commenting on it, except to say these types of investigations do take a long time.